Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about IPRAN, which stands for IP Radio Access Network. It's a key part of how modern mobile networks carry data between cell towers and the core network. Let's start with a bit of background. In every mobile network, 3G, 4G, or 5G, there are two main parts. The radio access network, which includes the base stations that connect to our phones, and the core network, which handles switching, authentication, and access to the internet. Now, the connection between these two, between the base stations and the core, is called the transport network. In older networks, that transport was built on TDM or ATM systems. But as smartphones and data traffic exploded, those legacy systems became too limited, too expensive, and too hard to scale. That's where IPRAN comes in. Let's talk about what exactly IPRAN is. IPRAN is an IP-based transport network that connects the radio sites like Node Bs, eNode Bs, or gNode Bs to the operator's aggregation and core networks. Instead of old circuit-based links, IPRAN uses Ethernet and IP/MPLS to carry both control and user data efficiently. In simple terms, it's the digital highway that moves your phone's data from the nearest cell tower back to the operator's core network, and then out to the internet. Why is IPRAN important? There are three main reasons. First, scalability. IPRAN can easily handle the massive data growth of 4G and 5G. Operators can simply increase capacity by upgrading fiber or microwave links. Second, flexibility and cost efficiency. Because it's based on IP and Ethernet, it's far cheaper and easier to expand than traditional SDH or leased lines. And third, quality and reliability. IPRAN supports MPLS and QoS, which means important traffic, like voice calls and control messages, gets priority delivery, ensuring low latency and high performance. This is critical for services such as VoLTE and 5G URLC. How does it work in practice? Each cell site connects to a nearby IP RAN router. Those routers link to aggregation routers, and finally to the core gateways. The entire path is managed using IP/MPLS, and for precise timing, operators use PTP, Precision Time Protocol, or SYNC-E, Synchronous Ethernet. These ensure accurate synchronization, which is essential for LTE and 5G performance. To sum up, IPRAN is the modern backbone that connects cell towers to the mobile core network using IP technology. It provides the scalability, reliability, and bandwidth that mobile operators need to support 4G and 5G networks. So the next time you make a video call or stream a movie, remember, behind the scenes, it's the IPRAN silently doing its job, carrying all that data quickly and efficiently. Thank you.